How to add voiceover in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a voiceover in Canva. So let's start. First of all, open the Canva app and log into your account. After you log into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now you can either create a new design or open an existing design. After you open the design, tap on the plus sign that you can see on the bottom left hand side. Then scroll in the menu below and go to uploads. After you tap on uploads, you will get a screen like this. Now in order to add a voiceover, you will have to first create a voiceover and create a MP3 file. Then after you can upload that file to Canva. In order to upload it, tap on upload files. Then after locate where your voiceover file is and tap on it. As you tap on the voiceover file, it will start uploading. After the upload is complete, tap on the voiceover that you just added and then it will be added to your design. Now you can edit your design and voiceover according to your preference. You can also get an automatic AI voiceover in Canva. However, that is a different topic. For that, you will have to go to a AI voiceover website called MorphAI and connect it to Canva. Then after, by following the on-screen instructions, you can create an automatic AI voiceover using MorphAI. So in this way, you can add voiceover in Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.